just so cool. The foil quill. Awesome. I just got it in the other day and I decided I was going to wait until I had time to open it with you guys and give it a test run and see what I think of it. I love to add foil to my card projects. I've done one so far with you guys where I use the, oh, brain fart, when I get to use the laser printer and a laminator with the art decor foil, and I love using it, so I had to jump on it when I got this. So let's get started. We're going to use a few different materials. Cardstock, because it says it could do cardstock, vinyl, leather, faux leather, all this stuff. So I grabbed a couple of different materials. We are going to switch views and I'll show you how I'm loading it into the maker and what I'm doing, because like I said, I really don't know either. I'm going to have the instruction book right beside me as we do this, so let's get going. On a few different items, but what I want to show you is you have to, because when you do get him first, he is going to be a cut, so he looks like this. In order to use the foil quill, you need to change it to a draw. And then just like with anything else, when you draw with the Cricut, it follows the same path as it would if it was cutting. So you're going to get these double lines on many images and fonts. If I was to be doing a font, let's just do that quickly. This is a writing font. This would only do a single line. But if I was just to be doing a normal everyday font, because it's going to be in a, if it was regular, it would look like this, because now it would cut like that. So when you had your vinyl, you'd have one big piece. I'm hoping I'm making sense. But if I was to cut this or write this out, you would change it over here to, sorry, up here to draw. And now you see you're going to have the box lettering, or the bubble lettering, some people call it, when it draws it. It's not going to be just one single line. So just keep that in mind when you do go to use this, or actually when you go to do any kind of a draw. So I have this set and we are just going to go to make it. It's going to show where I'm going to do it. I have been peeking at a few other videos and I saw where it recommended that you move it down to the corner, the bottom corner. This way you have a little bit more room at your machine for working with the foil. So let's go over and get ready to cut this. So this is what you would get if you buy the same kit that I did, which is the big one, okay, the 12 piece. Going to get, let me just get the box so I can read it, because I've just opened it, so I really don't know what is here. 3 USB heat pens. You have your standard tip, a fine tip, and a bold tip. So I'll have to figure out which one is what. So that's my different tips. Then we have 4 cutting machine adapters, A, B, C, D. And I looked and I did find out so far, because like I said, I've just opened this with you guys, so I'm still learning this. A is silhouette, B is brother, C is cricket, D is 6. Okay, perfect. Then we have 3 heat activated foil 6-inch rolls. So that would be the copper, the gold, and the silver. Oh, rose gold, sorry. And you have your placement tape, which is this. You have a heat resistant plate, which is this. And you have your multilingual instructions, which is this. So that's what comes with it. Now I'm going to switch back over to the other camera, and we are going to figure out what is what and how to play with this. Okay, so I've just set up my machine to work with the foiling. This is the part that needs to warm up, so I'm just going to put a heat shield there to protect everything. Also, as you can see, you have a cord that will plug into the side of your machine. Remember, if your machine is less than a year old, do not do this because it will get rid of the warranty. So I have my piece ready here, and I'm just going to let this warm up, and then we're going to give it a shot. So now that I gave everything a chance to warm up, I'm going to remove this metal piece, and I'm just going to push go. Hopefully everything's lined up okay. Okay, so that's done. Let's get it out and see what happens. So you just pull the tape off. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. And I didn't quite get it centered, but that's okay. There it is. Isn't that just the coolest? It is so pretty. So detailed. This makes it so much easier than the other way I used to foil. So yeah, look at that shine. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. So that's on cardstock. It said it could do other things, so I thought we'd try to find some other things that we could do. Oh, I've got a roll of faux leather. So let's give that a try and see what happens. So this is with the foil quill on Cricut's faux leather that actually has almost like a cobblestone, I don't know if you can see that, cobblestone pattern to it. So yeah, wowzers. So let's see what else we can try. Oops, I did it again. It's not me if we don't have a mess up in one of my videos. This time I sort of forgot to plug the computer back in. So I'm just waiting to load everything back up, and then we'll continue on with our demonstration. So far we've done the cardstock. Beautiful. And we've done it on faux leather. Amazing. And now we're doing it on just 651 vinyl with a nice gloss to it. So we'll see how well that adheres. I also have a vinyl more matted if we want to try. I also have some suede, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so we have, I'm coming closer. Hopefully you can see these okay. It's pretty dark over here. We have Cricut vinyl well, vinyl outdoor grade. Let's get better in the light because this sucks. I apologize. So we have a Cricut grade vinyl. Well, not Cricut, sorry. We have outdoor grade 651 vinyl done. Nada coming off. Cricut faux vinyl with a bit of texture on there, not coming off. I better put my heat shield in. There. We have Cricut printable sticker paper on there, not coming off. We've done it on plain old cardstock. And is Cricut's faux suede. So I don't know about you guys, but oh my God, I am so impressed. There's going to be so many projects that I can use this stuff for. Yeah, I am so thrilled, absolutely beyond thrilled. If you go to get this, you don't necessarily need to get the big kit. If you can only get one adapter, get the baby blue one. That's the one I'd recommend because it's the middle of the road, okay? So that's, yeah, guys, come on. As soon as you can, I was gonna say save your pennies, but pennies don't exist no more. So I guess save your nickels and order yourself the foil quill as soon as you can, because it's gonna bring not just your card stock projects, but like I just showed you, it's gonna bring your vinyl projects, making bows. You can do your own designs. It's just gonna bring your everything to the next level. So come on, guys, love it. Love, love, love it. I wouldn't say so if I didn't mean it. I bought this product myself because I wanted it. We Are Memories doesn't even know I exist, to be honest. But yeah, guys, my affiliate links are all below. Remember that whenever you click on one and then go to make a purchase, I receive a very small commission at no extra cost to you. This commission is what keeps this channel running. Without that commission, I cannot buy my products. So yeah, thanks guys. It means a lot to me for all of your support. And anyways, guys, I gotta go. Baby's awake. So take care and happy crafting. Bye.